Welcome to Golden Harmony, your trusted space for living well, joyfully, and with confidence after 60. Let's dive into today's topic.
Using a cane or walker can greatly enhance your mobility and give you more independence. These tools are especially beneficial in reducing the risk of falls, which can be a major concern as we age. They provide the support and balance needed to move around confidently. With a cane or walker, you can feel more secure and confident in your daily activities. Choosing the right cane is crucial for comfort and safety. Consider the height and weight of the cane to ensure it suits your needs. There are various handle styles available, like T-handles or ergonomic grips, which can affect comfort. The material, such as wood or aluminum, plays a role in durability. It's always a good idea to consult with a healthcare provider for the best recommendation. When selecting a walker, it's important to know the different types available, such as standard, rolling, or knee walkers. Ensure the walker is adjustable in height for your comfort. Look for one that offers stability and is easy to use. Consulting with a healthcare professional can help you choose the best option for your needs. Adjusting your cane to the proper height is crucial for effective use. The cane should be set so that it reaches your wrist when your arm is at your side. Your elbow should have a slight bend when holding the cane. Comfort is key, so ensure the height feels right for you. It's also good practice to check the adjustments regularly to maintain comfort and effectiveness. When adjusting your walker, the handle should be at the level of your wrists when your arms are relaxed at your sides. Your elbows should have a slight bend when gripping the handles. It's important to test these adjustments to ensure comfort and safety. Regularly checking the fit can help maintain the walker's effectiveness and your comfort. When using a cane, hold it on the side opposite to your weaker or injured leg. Move the cane forward at the same time as your weaker leg. This technique helps distribute weight and balance. Step forward with your stronger leg. Remember to maintain an upright posture to enhance balance and reduce strain. To use a walker safely, stand upright between the handles. Move the walker forward first, then step into the area of the walker with your feet. This method provides stability and balance. Keep your back straight as you walk to prevent strain and ensure a more comfortable experience. When navigating stairs with a cane, use the railing for extra support. Step up with your stronger leg first, followed by the cane, and then your weaker leg. When descending, reverse the process by leading with the cane and weaker leg. This strategy provides stability and safety on stairs. It's advisable to seek help when navigating stairs with a walker. For curb steps or small steps, lift the walker onto the step first, and then step up while holding the walker for support. This technique helps maintain balance and safety, but remember, assistance is always a good idea for larger staircases. Maintaining your cane or walker is important for safety and longevity. Regularly check the rubber tips for wear and tear as they provide traction. Clean the handles for hygiene, especially if you use them daily. Inspect for any damage or loose parts and replace them as necessary to ensure your mobility aid remains reliable. To enhance your balance and strength, engage in regular balance exercises and strengthen your legs through safe routines. Incorporating daily stability exercises can greatly improve your mobility. It's always beneficial to consult a professional who can tailor a program to suit your specific needs and capabilities. Building confidence in your mobility takes practice. Start using your cane or walker in safe, familiar areas before gradually increasing your walking distance. Consider joining a support group for encouragement and to share experiences. Remember to celebrate small milestones in your mobility journey, as each step is progress. Overcoming challenges such as the fear of falling can be achieved through regular practice and familiarity with your mobility aid. Manage fatigue by pacing your activities and taking breaks when needed. Don't hesitate to seek assistance and consider adapting your environment to make it more accessible and safe for your mobility. When using canes or walkers outdoors, be mindful of uneven surfaces that might pose a risk. Avoid wet or slippery paths and consider using aids with non-slip features for added safety. Stay alert to changes in your environment, such as weather conditions, to ensure a safe and enjoyable experience. In crowded places, plan your visits during less busy times if possible. Use your cane or walker to make yourself more visible to others and maintain a steady pace to avoid accidents. Don't hesitate to request assistance if needed, as many people are willing to help ensure your safety and comfort. When traveling with your mobility aid, research your destination to ensure it is accessible. Inform airlines or transportation providers of your mobility needs ahead of time. Ensure your mobility aid is compatible with your travel plans and pack essential repair tools just in case. These steps help ensure a smooth and enjoyable travel experience. Incorporating technology into your mobility routine can enhance safety and convenience. Consider exploring smart canes that offer additional safety features. Health apps can help track your mobility progress and goals. Mobility sensors can be installed at home to alert you to potential hazards. Staying updated with new innovations can open up more options for mobility support. Creating a supportive environment involves communicating your needs to loved ones and modifying your home for easier navigation. Involve your family in your mobility plans so they can assist and encourage you. Utilize community resources such as local support groups, which can provide additional assistance and companionship. It's important to know when to seek professional help. Regular consultations with healthcare providers can ensure you're using your mobility aid correctly. Recognize signs of improper use, such as discomfort or pain, and seek advice if these issues persist. Physical therapy can offer additional support and strategies to enhance your mobility and comfort. Staying positive and motivated is key to success. Set achievable mobility goals and celebrate every bit of progress. Surround yourself with positive influences and people who encourage you. Stay inspired by success stories of others who have improved their mobility, knowing that you too can achieve great things with perseverance. Engaging in group activities can make using a cane or walker more enjoyable. Join walking clubs where you can socialize and share experiences. Participate in group exercises tailored to your capabilities and enjoy community events safely. These activities not only support physical health, but also create new friendships and a network of support. Maintaining a healthy lifestyle complements your mobility efforts. Eating balanced meals provides the energy needed for daily activities, and staying hydrated is essential for overall well-being. Incorporate gentle exercises into your routine to maintain strength and flexibility. Ensure you get enough rest and recovery, as this helps your body rejuvenate and stay strong. Reflecting on your daily mobility experiences can be a valuable learning tool. Take note of any challenges and adjust your strategies as needed. Embrace each learning opportunity as it helps you grow and improve. Sharing your insights with others can also provide them with valuable tips and encouragement on their mobility journeys. Embrace your mobility journey with a positive outlook and the belief in your capabilities. Continue learning and adapting to improve your mobility skills. Celebrate each step towards greater independence, knowing that your efforts make a significant difference. Remember, you are capable and resilient, and every day is a new opportunity to thrive.
Thank you so very much for watching this video today. Please like, subscribe, and share with your friends if you enjoyed.